Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Die TV channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a video from TikTok in PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that there will be a interface of TikTok app on the screen where you can see upload button at top right corner. Just tap over there and you will be redirected with the TikTok Studio page, where you can see select video option. Just tap on that button and now you need to simply select any videos that you want to upload. Now once you complete your configuration, and then finally click on post, and you'll be able to post your video successfully. So basically this is how you can upload a video on TikTok. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.